Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wonder to do a full cabin tour of two connecting Category 9B Deluxe Oceanview Staterooms. Each room sleeps up to 3 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone.
These are all on deck 2 for all the Category 9B rooms. They've got a single porthole for that ocean view, and as you'll see, the rooms are basically a mirror image layout of each other when you go from one room to the next.
Let's go check them out.
So when we first come in here, over on the left-hand side, we have our closets. In each of these closets, you have a closet rod as well as those life vests and plenty of storage for your luggage down there. On the other half of the closet here, you'll find your safe as well as a bag for laundry if you'd like to send out for that. And then right over here beside the closet, we have a small little table. You'll have some glasses for water here. You also have storage with these drawers right here. Decent sized drawers, so you've got some space there. You also have a photo up above there of Walt and Lillian walking on deck a cruise ship. They got the little Mickey plush there. It's a great picture of them. Over across from the closets, we have our bathroom. This is a split bathroom layout here. On the one side, we have a sink and a toilet. You can see the single vanity in there. There's a little bit of storage space down below the sink, and there's a shelf up there on the mirror. Of course, you have your soap in here. You've got a hair dryer over here on the wall, but you have an additional hair dryer over in the desk drawer. We'll show you that in just a minute. And then there's some shelves over in the corner to give you some storage space in here. The other half of the bathroom is where you're going to find your tub and shower. This is a detachable shower head here in the shower, and of course the full-size tub here in this room. You've got refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash with the H2O products there. And there's actually a Mickey, kind of catch the right light, you can see made out of rope there. You've got little Mickey heads there. We have a single vanity in this bathroom as well with some storage down below. You've got soap and lotion and a small makeup rag there, and you also have an outlet up there, but that is not an outlet to be used with hair dryers or straighteners. Again, those are over on the desk. In the room we have a queen size bed that has storage underneath for your luggage. You can slide your luggage right underneath the bed there. There's a full-length mirror over here right beside the bed, and on the end of the bed we have this runner that has different nautical elements, including the Disney Cruise Line logo and Mickey Mouse, of course. Over to the right of the bed, we have a small nightstand. There's a little drawer there, as well as a small shelf. You've got a lamp that has little Mickey heads cut out of the bottom, and you have a map with all the different Disney cruise ships and parks around the world on the map. And then above the nightstand right there, you see a couple wall outlets on the wall. They do have one on the other side of the bed as well, but on the other side of the bed there's only a single wall outlet because you have the phone that takes up the space where the other outlet would be. Across from the bed we have that connecting door here for the stateroom next door that is the same category stateroom there. We've got some storage here with the drawers and a cabinet down below, and then some artwork from Pirates of the Caribbean by artist Mark Davis. There's a curtain here in the middle of the room that you can use to divide the room in half. Over on the other half, you've got a lot of storage with the desk there, lots of drawers, and a cabinet here that has your mini fridge in it. Decent sized mini fridge here, but there is no freezer section in there, just to be aware of that. And then the drawer is where you're going to find your other hair dryer. That hair dryer can be plugged in right over here on the wall. There's a 220 outlet there, as well as some additional wall outlets and a couple USB outlets. You've got your TV right there, and then a mirror over on the right. The mirror has a couple lights on each side that have little Mickey heads cut out of the little housing. We have a gift here in this particular stateroom that was ordered ahead of time to be delivered to the room. You can do that on the Disney Cruise Line website. And then the couch over here does pull down into a twin size bed. So this room sleeps up to 3 people with that couch and the queen size bed. We've got some artwork here on the wall, Disney cruise artwork. Looks like we've got Castaway Cay represented with Goofy snorkeling and someone fishing. All the different things you can do over on Castaway Cay. And then we have our porthole that makes this the ocean view room. It's a pretty good sized porthole. Just in this exact moment, we don't have a great view because we're facing the dock here in Vancouver, but it's a good sized porthole. You've got a nice view of the ocean once we're out to sea, so it's a great place to sit and enjoy the room. And now we'll head over to the other side just to show you what the connecting stateroom looks like. Open up this door here. Of course, you do have to open it from the side that you're staying in We just prop them open here for the tour. You can see this room is exactly identical to the other room. You've got the queen size bed here with the storage underneath. You have the same nightstands on either side with the outlets on there. And then we have the couch that pulls down into another twin size bed. Neither one of these rooms have that extra upper berth to let them sleep 4 guests. They only have capacity for 3 in these particular rooms. We have the porthole over here, just like the other room does. So kind of a mirror image of the 2 rooms here with all the same amenities in each one. And that's going to conclude our tour of these Category 9B connecting Deluxe Oceanview Staterooms here on the Disney Wonder.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions. We're happy to answer those.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button while you're down there. You can find tons of other room tours on all the Disney Cruise Line ships on our channel, as well as room tours at the Walt Disney World resorts and other Disney destinations around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.